by Ayah and Mihailo.
See, guys, his nail is
Hi, I'm Ayah,
and I'm Mihailo.
and today we're going to be teaching you about how we made our hot air balloon and how we tested it with a blow dryer. Okay, so the first thing that we did is
First thing we did was, we got 2 pieces of tissue paper, 2 pieces of purple tissue paper, and 2 pieces of orange. Then we laid them out side by side. We glued the edges.
So first we put them each on top. We folded each tissue paper and we overlapped them. And our second step was to outline an oval kind of shape at the top and everything. So after we done that, we cut it out. After that step, we glued all of them together side by side. And when we were done, we glued the top, made sure that there were no holes. The next step was the circumference. Our next step was
the circumference. We grabbed the pipe cleaner. We grabbed a piece of string and we put it around our hot air balloon. We cut off the edges of the string so it does not overlap, or where it overlaps. And then we put that next to a ruler. We measured how much it was, and then that's how long we needed our pipe cleaner. So we needed 2 pipe cleaners tied together. We tied 2 pipe cleaners together, and we put them around our circumference at the bottom of the balloon where the opening is. Then,
But before that, when we were done finding the circumference, instead of stapling it and adding more weight, we glued it together so it would go higher and not come down with all that weight. So our next step was to test it. So in trial 1 is right here.
it's okay, miss.
After that test, we went back and we noticed that there was a hole in our balloon, letting in cold air and bringing the balloon down.
Now let your balloon go.
Hot air balloon! A hot air balloon flies when hot air enters a hot air balloon and creates lift. Also, the bigger the balloon, the more it goes higher. For example, if you have a tiny hot air balloon, it won't go.
Break it! Enough! Lisa!
A really big one.
Oh, enough! Whenever I blow dry my hair, I always put it in the box.
And also on top of the balloon is something called a vent. So when the pilot or whatever pulls the valve, it opens it and lets in cold air, which makes the balloon land nice and nice. Trial 3, hot air balloon test. After all our repairs to our hot air balloon, we tested our hot air balloon again, and it went the highest.
One of our difficulties were trying to keep the blow dryer still.
Our hot air balloon went up 2 meters and 39 centimeters and stayed in the air for about 6 seconds. Hot air balloons fly when hot air goes into the balloon and makes the balloon rise. It also creates lift. When the balloon is ready to come down, the pilot pulls a valve, opening the vent on top of the balloon and letting in cold air and letting the balloon go down, recording and reflecting.
Step 1, we first got 6 pieces of tissue paper. Step 2, we cut it out 6 ovals. Step 3, we opened up each oval and glued each side to another flap. Step 4, we measured the circumference of our balloon with a measuring tape. Step 5, we got 4 pipe cleaners and attached them together, Ayah, and put it around our circumference and glued it to attach it to it. Step 6, finally, we tested our balloon.
Number 2. In trial 3, our balloon rose 2 meters and 39 centimeters. Our balloon couldn't rise anymore because there wasn't enough hot air in our balloon to keep it up in the air. I also think that there was too much weight on the circumference from
Oh, you guys have a huge rip.
big balloon.
Right there and right here.
The balloon on
and
top
right here.
is called the envelope.
And right here.
I don't think you guys are ready.